Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Insha'Allah ta'ala, today we will analyze the 15th ayah of Surah Mulk. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Now this ayah begins with the words هو الذي. Now by now you are familiar with these two words, so make sure to read them properly. The ha should be given one count. Join your waw with the lam. And make sure to read your dal properly from its makhraj and give it two counts because it is with yamad. Ja'ala. Now here your jim should be without air and should be given one count. Ain should be from the middle part of the throat and should be given one count. And nam should be given one count too. Ja'ala lakumul arda. La should be given one count. Kaf should be given one count. Meme should join with the lam and your hamza should join with the ra. Now here your ra should be heavy and give it moderate time. So run it for moderate time. Al-arda. The dot should be given one count and it should be from its makhraj. Do not read it like the dal, neither like the ra. The dot should be from its makhraj, which is the sides of your tongue. Okay, ba. Okay, it should be given one count. Now here, zalu. Here, zal should be given one count. Take care of the makhraj of zal. Lam should be given two counts. Now here, this part, now between these two words is the rule which is ikhfa. You all know what is ikhfa. You have to hide your noon over here. So your tanween is followed by a fa. So what will you do? You will hide your noon and you will go close to the makhraj of fa. Zalulan famshu. Okay. Your meme over here should be given moderate timing. Do not bounce your meme. Sheen should be given two counts. Do not get confused for this alif. Take it as if it is silent. Okay. Just give your sheen two counts because it is with wow, like mud. Coming to this part, the fa is given two counts because it is with yamad. Coming to this part, manakibiha. This is easy, alhamdulillah. No rules in this. It's just that you have to take care of the counts and the maharij. Meme should be given one count. Noon should be given two counts. Kaf should be given one count. Ba should be given one count. Your ha should be given two counts. Just take care of the counts and the maharij. Manakibiha wa kulu. Now here also take care of the makharij and the counts. For the waw, circle your lips. Your kaf should be given one count because it is just with the dhamma. And your lam should be given two counts because it is with waw maddiya. Okay, the same thing again. Do not get confused for this alif. Take it as silent. Now here, you see this noon is followed by this ra. This is the rule which is idgham. So here, you don't have to do anything like you just have to go from the meme to the ra as if this noon is not there at all. Mir rizqi. Okay, this rule is idgham bi ghayri gunna. Okay, so the noon completely merges into the ra. So do not get confused. Do not read the noon from the meme. Go to the ra. Mir rizqi. And run your ha at the end. Okay, and run your za too over here. Coming to this part. وَإِلَيْهِ النُّشُورُ. Now circle your lips for the waw. Give it one count. Hamza is given one count. You have lean over here. The lean should be read complete. Right? Do not read it like lay. It should be lay. وَإِلَيْهِ النُّشُورُ. Now you have this noon mushaddad. So give akmal gunna on your noon mushaddad. Sheen is like with the dhamma. Protrude your lips for the dhamma and keep it light. The ra at the end should be heavy. Okay, because it is like preceded by a second letter which is preceded by a dhamma. So make your ra heavy over here. So practice well with the Shaykh, inshallah ta'ala. Jazakum Allahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.